Alright, we're back. There's a pack in here. Didn't come from hareruya. I just got it because I was on my way to work and the mailman gave me my mail. And I had two packages and I just consolidated them into that. But I will show you what I ordered from them and just check it off on the list while we're here. Got a pack of weatherlight traditional Chinese. eBay auction said Japanese, but I got it in its trad Chinese. It's not going to match the rest of my collection. Oh well. Let's see, what did we get from hareruya? There's the draft chaff that they always use to as like dunnage. So yeah, sometimes you get something cool. I mean that like filigree familiar is not that bad, right? All right, so we got Played Scarab God Invocation. Not sure why they marked played. I guess I'll find out later. 3 near mint English temporal extortions. Let's just go about the backs on them. Yeah, those are pretty good. They each got a little ding on the back corner. I've been noticing my orders from them having bottom back corner dings, and I'm just hoping that it's not from the packaging when they pack up the orders, you know. All right, we got a Japanese foil Shrine of the Forsaken Gods, Japanese foil Fathom Feeder, Japanese foil Flare Drone, Japanese foil Warping Whale, Japanese foil Wandering Fumarole, Japanese foil Seagate Wreckage, Japanese foil Ruins of Oran Reef, Japanese foil Corrupted Crossroads, Japanese foil Corrupted Graftstone, English played foil Eye of Ramos. Wow, the front actually looks pretty good. Let me see at the back. Wow, no, that's really good. I don't know why they marked it played, really. Well, strict grading, there's like one tiny, like, I want to call it a tooth dent, but it's not really from a tooth that I can tell on the front there. But man, $15 pickup there. That's really nice. Not disappointed at all. And a foil Japanese played Wild Research for one of my friends who really loved this card back in the 5-color days. Scooped it up for him as an add-on to my order. It's only $4. I do see a little bit of like the surface wear foil clouding there. All this stuff is basically the Japanese foil out my Tiny Leader Eldrazi deck. Even though I never played Tiny Leaders, I just made 2 decks and they just like sit there. But foiling it out anyway. Alright, that's it for the order. Here we go, the booster pack of Weatherlight Chinese. Let's see what we get. Wow, feels like this is like wrapped differently than other Weatherlight booster packs. Like a wrapper feels different. More like plasticky. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Let's see what we got. I got the little rock fledgling or whatever it is. Uncommon. And a Grivian Find. Oh yeah, this little egg monster that we were always getting. And oh no, what's that? Oh wait, never mind. This is a common, right? And there's our rare. Okay, woo. Lotus Veil. I keep on forgetting that these Weatherlight packs are like so weird. It's uncommon, 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 common, and then you get a rare. Oh, we got another Lotus Veil. At least it's not garbage, but it is in traditional Chinese, so also don't think there's any market for it really. Let's see what the commons are holding for us. Llanowar Sentinel, the Stone Treefolk guy. Who's that on top? Come on, focus there. Is that Krovax? I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Yeah. Bloodshot Cyclops. Is that some kind of Cyclops? He's got a belt of skulls. And a Spinning Darkness. Alright, cool. So we got a Lotus Veil and our overseas order, which is pretty dope. Picked all these up for 15 a piece. The Temporal Extortion. I have Ramos, Temporal Extortion English times 3, and this Played Scarab God for 55 bucks ish, which is like 20 cheaper than the cheapest I could find on the internet. Their played cards are usually really good for played cards, and you know, the credit card charges you like a 3% processing for foreign transaction, but then like depending on the exchange rate, it's like 7 to 10% difference. Like if you just look at their prices in dollars instead of yen, and then the conversion, it's like 10% off in my head at least. But that's it for the video. See you guys and everyone else around later.